Today we are going to convert this jeans into a skirt, maxi skirt. For that I am going to cut from the inseam. After cutting the inseam, I am going to cut it till the fly from the center. Now I will arrange both the legs on top of each other, and with the help of top stitch I will attach the both legs from the center. To make the process little easier, I am pinning the center. From the hip area, I will stitch this extra part along with the waist because this waist is little loose for me. So I'll open the waist belt and stitch it together. Pinning the portion I want to alter. Now I will stitch all the pinned parts. After trying the fitting, I am deciding the area that I want to cut or make the slit adjustment at the back. And I will finish the belt as well. I don't want my skirt to be this long, so I am cutting it a little bit. And I have decided to have a slit in the front as well, so I'm cutting it in a triangle so that I can make fringes of the extra fabric, and this will be my slit. To make the slit of the skirt little stylish, I have cut the extra part into fringes, and now I am removing little threads from those fringes. It is a time taking process, so don't worry, just take your time and do it slowly. And once you are done with this, you are ready with your maxi skirt. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.